Welcome to ABC Kids channel.
I am sentences for kids. I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I am a girl.
I am a girl.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
I am here.
I am here.
I am runner.
I am runner.
I am curious.
I am curious.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am doing homework.
I am doing homework.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am eating a meal.
I am eating a meal.
I am playing.
I am playing.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am helpful.
I am helpful.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I am playful.
I am playful.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am polite.
I am polite.
I am listening.
I am listening.
I am patient.
I am patient.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am feeling good.
I am feeling good.
I am satisfied.
I am satisfied.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am helping others.
I am helping others.
I am a good helper.
I am a good helper.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am going to market.
I am going to market.
I am thinking.
I am thinking.
I am driving a car.
I am driving a car.
I am a good climber.
I am a good climber.
I am a good player.
I am a good player. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe ABC Kids channel.